Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today I have come up with a great opportunity for you, and that is workshop. If you are staying at home, then please you utilize these holidays and participate for this workshop. This is free of cost workshop, and you will also get certificate at the end. So the workshop will be on 2 days, and you have to participate 2 hours, and that will be live workshop, so you can complete it and you will end up with certificate. The workshop is build a smart chatbot with AWS. This is the very perfect and the very useful workshop. You can create your own chatbot and you can integrate with your Facebook or other any other platform, your website, and you can utilize this, right? Coming to I just want to add something. 1 year back I did this workshop, the paid workshop at my college, but those people were EC people, and those people were not very well known about this workshop. Even they can't even tell me everything about the workshop. In the middle I have to drop. I had paid 700 for the workshop. Those money goes wasted, but here you are getting free of cost. So try to understand that you don't miss this. You get registered right now and utilize this. I wasted last year 700 for this workshop. Not wasted, I paid 700 for this type of chatbot using AWS. To learn this I paid, but those people can't teach me, and my money goes waste. And now you are getting free of cost, so please try to utilize it. So let me explain about this workshop. So this workshop is 2 days, for 2 days online workshop, and this is fundamental of cloud computing in the live and interactive environment. So you can ask even question and get reply. The workshop will be included live project where you will use Amazon Lex, AWS Lambda, and Amazon Cognito to identify building a smart chatbot. Right, so three tools you are learning here: Lex, Lambda, and Cognito. Right, and this is in 2 days workshop. The work on live project to build smart chatbot using AWS. Learn why cloud computing is essential during COVID-19 pandemic. So this day you can understand, this day all organization is running with optimal manpower. So to interact with, to reply the customer, if there is chatbot, then that is the definitely going to make the work so easier, because human can't reply all the time, or you have to invest on human to reply. And if there is chatbot, then automatically it will reply, so it will reduce the manpower at your workplace. And learn fundamental of most popular cloud computing platform. Explore career opportunity in cloud computing domains and master Amazon Lex, Lambda, and Cognito, and much more. So you can understand what are the workshop feature contents here. Understanding of cloud computing concept from home. So you can understand the cloud computing concept, right? Live instructor led online classes. So there will be online classes for those 2 hours every day for 2 days, right? And you will get Edureka certificate, and also LMS SS you will get, and quizzer assignment and live project you will get. Right. So this is about the workshop. What are the features? And now I am going to register it and show you. Okay. So the okay, sorry, the codec guru. Okay, phone number I will give. Okay, and and okay, and 02. Okay, these are my spot. So you can see here, kindly check your email for the cloud workshop invite your Educa LMS. So I will go and check my email. Right, so you can take advantage, you can understand, and you can learn this at free of cost. So please don't miss the chance. So this is the mail I have got. Hello Deepcoded Guru, welcome to Educa Cloud Workshop. Below are details for the LMS Learning Management System, so LMS, and get ready for the classes, class detail on Saturday, June 20. From tomorrow it is going to start 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. and Sunday 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. for 2 days, and there is login and passport for my workshop, so you can use this to access the login LMS. You will get the same, and after that you will get the certificate. So this is all about how you can get the workshop, and you will get free workshop, smart chatbot creation free workshop you will get, and you will grab one certificate with understanding of 3 concepts on the Amazon platform, that is Lex, that is about the Lex and Cognito. So already I have mentioned Lex, Cognito and Lambda. So 3 concepts you are learning there, cognitive understanding, everything free of course. So please you do reserve this seat, and also you do subscribe my channel, so I will get more motivation and provide this type of workshop, free workshop in coming days. And also share this video with lots of your friends, they will definitely appreciate you for sharing the information. So thank you all, please stay home, stay safe, stay learning, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Have a good time.